Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Pa. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always staying with me. In today's video, I will just be sharing a story with you guys, especially for those that are small business owners like me, so that you can learn, just pick one or two things from what happened to me. So um and then I will be organizing this my little space I make my Turarenwuta videos, and just like my little workspace. So let's get into the video. So what happened some time ago is I got a message from a lady that she wants to order some Turarenwuta, and I told her, okay, go ahead. She called me. I told her she should message me on WhatsApp because I don't take orders on the phone. Yeah. So, or she can just text me what she wants, and then we can continue from text message, because like you need evidence of everything now. Everything should be in written. You can't remember. I cannot remember what we like talked about on the phone, especially if the order, I will not be able to remember, especially if the order will be much. So she messaged me on WhatsApp, and that was when my exam timetable came out, and I was having exam that same week. So she did not even message me later on. I replied her, and then she did not message me until after some days. When she messaged me, I told her, okay, hi ma, I will be slow in replying your messages because I have examinations to write these coming days. And she was like, okay, I just wanted to let you know that somebody will be picking up the items. I Because she has someone in my school that will pick up the items for her, and then just take the items there. We talked a few times on the phone. And then anytime she makes that call, I always tell her to like just go to WhatsApp and write what we talked about, because I don't want to forget. I don't want a situation whereby I will not deliver what you asked for. So then she messaged me, and then I replied her. So after replying her, and then she messaged me again. No, she did not message me. She called me on the phone, and I told her, okay, she called me that I should get the items ready. The person that will be picking up the items is ready to pick up the items. I told her, okay, she should message me on WhatsApp again. Okay, so she did not. She did not message me, and then she did not even ask me for my account number to make payments. So then I just ignored the lady. I ignored her. I did not message her again, because if she needs the items, she will message me. And then if she wants to purchase, if she's serious, she will actually like send me a message and then be fast about it. So she did not. So I did not message her. I did not tell her anything. So after some weeks, no, it was not even up to a week. After some days, I was at the bank. Then I just got a call from an unknown number. The no- the funny thing she did was that she used a private number to call me. I don't know why, but she used a private number to call me. So she called me, and then she started saying, let me quote. She was like she used how she was like nafi karfin aula kantani, me kike gani, like me kike gani kamar irin dan ina son in siya kayan ki kina mulakanci. And she was not even talking like in a very calm voice. She was shouting on the phone like she was talking to her child, or like her slave. So she was just ranting, raking, pouring different kind of rubbish that comes to her head. I did not even reply her. I did not say a word because I was shocked. This is something that has never happened to me. I was so surprised. Like, I've been very careful in this business, so I don't know. So after, she did not even allow me to like talk. She just finished shout. When she finished shouting, she just cut the call, and that was it. She used a private number. I wanted to message her because I remembered like I have her WhatsApp number. I just said let me let it go because she's not worth it. She is not serious. She is dumb because you cannot do something to like you could she doesn't know me from anywhere. Like, I don't know her, but how can you call somebody and start insulting the person? Yeah, she insulted me. Like, I was surprised, and I'm still surprised that who I don't know where she got her guts from and everything to do that, but it will not happen next time. I don't think I will give the chance for anybody. Like, I'll give chance for anybody to do same to me, because the next time anybody tries that or she tries to call me, I know she will surely come back, because I just know she will surely come back, because that kind of person, they will want to get that item. She told me she's in need of these items. She's in need of these items because she wants to put to bed, so she needs like some of, yeah, I remember she wanted gub gub, she wanted a lot of Turarenwuta. So I said it's not even worth itself, let her go and get it elsewhere. So that's just what happened. That's one of the things that happened to me as like a small business owner. So this are the different oil perfumes I packed for a customer. You can see it has different colors. Then this is 12 in number, and they all have different scents. This is a perfume mix, no, sorry, oil perfume, but different scents. Then the other humra you're seeing is just like a very nice humra, and then halud and kulekcha and sandalwood balls. The humra is a special humra, is Siri Matam Borno humra. The halud is the normal agar wood soaked with oils and made with fine resins. Then the sandalwood balls, of course you all know sandal balls. Kulekcha made with cream base. And then this is our Danal Banat. The video of our Danal Banat is on the channel. I will leave a link of the video in the description box. So this is the Banat. So after letting this to cure for some time, I figured out I need to give a little to some people so that they can perceive the scent and just tell me what they think about it. Because when you make Turarenwuta, you need to like give people so that they can help you to perceive the scent, just to help you bond and tell you, especially if there are people who know Turarenwuta, they will tell you where your mistake is, and they'll tell you how the scent is, if you need to add more oil perfumes, if you need to add anything. So I just added a little here for her. This is a lavender scent. Like I said in the video, you can go and watch the video and learn how to make this beautiful purple Danal Banat. So this is the order ready to be delivered. Thank you very much, my customers. My customers are always they are always like coming back because of the quality of the items they get. So I am so glad. Then I went ahead again to pack this order I got. Thank you so much, the same customer. This is the 4th time he is ordering Turarenwuta from this brand. And one thing I like about this my customer is that when he wants to place an order, he will just say give me something nice, and then I will just add the items. he will just send the money direct. These are the kind of customers like I pray for all of us that have small business to have. Like, so these are the items I gathered for him. Since he's a guy, he will love wood. Wood is agar wood, yeah, agarwood, oak moss, wood, and then the kajiji. He actually said I should add the wood and the kajiji. Yeah, so this is the kajiji, a recipe of all these beautiful Turarenwuta amazing scents. They're all on my channel, so I'll drop a link to all their videos. And then this is our danabanat. Yay, our danabanat is almost sold out. We made a dozen of these and we only have 3 left, so fastest finger, you can order this. Is just 3,500 naira only. It's so amazing. Then I added sandal sukar for him. Yeah, this is the sandal sukar. That's white sticks abiyad sandal. It has different names. It's just like the normal sandal, but the second grade of sandal, not the first grade of sandal. Then since this is like a thank you gift, thank you for coming back, thank you for my returning customer, I added it into this beautiful like pack, and then I sealed it so that my customer will know that this is like just a like thank you gift. So after doing that, I added it to the box, and then I went ahead to write the delivery details. That's the name, the number, the state, and I will be dropping this off in the morning for delivery. So this is the items. This is how the pack looks after adding everything together. Thank you so much, my customers. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things from this video. And for my subscribers that are into Turarenwuta making, make sure you seal your Turarenwuta very well when you are so after sending this off for delivery. Like I take little pictures that I will post for the gram. So this is how I go and drop it off for delivery. I make sure I seal everything together. So this is from my customer's camera. Yeah, she sent me the pictures of the items after they arrive. So I am very grateful. Please be sending reviews to small business owners. We need it. We need to be posting these reviews that we are legit, then we deliver. You can see the packaging of everything. So and then they arrived safely, and she loved all the items. So I made this collector for like 4 people. Yeah, so this is the other collector for my customer too. And then this is a picture of the first items I packed, and then this is another one I packed for another customer. And then this is just like a picture of the items. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and then you can ask me question in the comment section. See you in my next one. Bye.